Ejo kí lorúkọ yín ma?
Mrs. Angela Komolafe.
Kí lorúkọ yín sir?
Mr. Dele Komolafe.
Okay, I can see you guys are lovely couples. So, Mrs. Angela Komolafe, let me start from you.
Okay.
From which state did you come from, and which country, and which company did you come with? Lagos State? Or?
Lagos State.
Okay.
And I came with Ufitfly.
Okay, so how is your experience traveling with Ufitfly to this pilgrimage?
It has been a wonderful experience. Very wonderful experience, and we love to come again.
Okay, so Mr. Komolafe, kí lẹ ní láti sọ fún wa nípa ìrìn àjò yìí àti àwọn experience yín pẹ̀lú Ufitfly nínú àjò yìí?
I enjoy a trip, So, and they really tried. At least in everything. Even the staff that accompanied us, very tolerant and very patient. And we are so fortunate that even the tour guide that was arranged for us is also a very good guy also. So we enjoyed the tour very well.
Big Ufitfly are really giving us even more than what we expected. So it has been a great experience. We are going on with full package, full, loaded.
Okay, loaded.